walk into a coffee shop and freeze. You can't remember how to order in English. Embarrassing, right?
What if I told you 5 simple sentences could change everything?
In the next 8 minutes, you'll learn 5 everyday English sentences that work at home, the office, shops, and on the street.
By the end of this lesson, you'll speak with confidence in real situations. No textbook English, just real conversations.
Welcome to 101 English Studio, podcast where everyday English becomes easy English.
I'm Ava, and this is Jack. We're here to help you speak English naturally, one conversation at a time.
Let's make today the day you stop translating in your head and start speaking with confidence.
Here's the truth. Most beginners know a lot of English words, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out.
Exactly. You're worried about grammar. You're scared of making mistakes. So you stay silent.
But here's what changes everything. You don't need perfect grammar. You need practical sentences that work in real life.
Today, we're giving you 5 powerful sentences. Memorize them, practice them, and watch your confidence grow.
These aren't just sentences. They're your survival kit for daily English conversations. Ready?
Let's dive in.
Sentence number 1. Could you help me with this?
This is your go-to phrase when you need assistance. At work, at a store, anywhere.
Listen carefully. Could you help me with this? Notice the polite tone. Could you, not can you. It sounds more respectful.
Let me say it slowly. Could you help me with this?
Now normal speed. Could you help me with this?
Real-life example. You're at the supermarket and you can't find the milk. You see an employee and say, "Excuse me, could you help me with this?"
Simple, polite, effective.
Sentence number 2. I'd like to have this, please.
Perfect for ordering at restaurants, cafes, or shops.
I'd like to have this, please. The word please is super important. It shows respect.
Slowly. I'd like to have this, please.
Normal speed? I'd like to have this, please.
Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You point at a sandwich and say, I'd like to have this, please.
Done. No stress, no confusion.
Sentence number 3. How much does this cost?
Money questions are essential. Whether you're shopping or paying bills, this sentence saves you.
How much does this cost? Pay attention to does, not do.
Slowly, how much does this cost?
Normal speed. How much does this cost?
You're in a clothing store, you pick up a shirt and ask the cashier, "How much does this cost?"
Clear, direct, easy.
Sentence number 4. What time does it start?
Use this for meetings, movies, events, classes, anything with a schedule.
What time does it start? Again, notice does, singular form.
Slowly. What time does it start?
Normal speed? What time does it start?
Your coworker mentions a meeting. You ask, what time does it start?
Professional and natural.
And sentence number 5. I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
This is your safety sentence. When you're lost in a conversation, just say this.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. It's honest, and people respect that.
Slowly. I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Normal speed. I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Someone explains directions too fast. You smile and say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you repeat that?"
Perfectly acceptable. Don't pretend to understand. Just ask.
Okay, let's see these sentences in action. Ava, you're the cashier. I'm the customer.
Sure, go ahead.
Excuse me, I'd like to have this coffee, please.
Of course. Anything else?
How much does this cost?
That's $5.
Perfect. What time does the shop close?
We close at 8 p.m.
Thank you.
See how smoothly that flowed? 5 sentences, 1 natural conversation.
Now it's your turn. Pause after each sentence and repeat out loud.
Sentence 1. Could you help me with this? Your turn. Pause and repeat.
Again, could you help me with this? One more time.
Sentence 2. I'd like to have this, please. Repeat. Good. Again.
Sentence 3. How much does this cost? Say it. Again.
Sentence 4. What time does it start? Repeat. One more.
Sentence 5. I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Your turn. Perfect. Again.
Excellent work. You just spoke English 5 times.
Okay, let's recap fast. You now know.
Number 1. Could you help me with this?
Number 2, I'd like to have this, please.
Number 3. How much does this cost?
Number 4, what time does it start?
Number 5. I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
5 sentences, dozens of situations. You're ready to speak confidently in English today.
Next episode, we're teaching you how to make small talk in English because conversations don't always start with business.
Learn how to break the ice, chat about the weather, and connect with people naturally.
You won't want to miss it.
If this lesson helped you speak today, subscribe to 101 English.
Practice these 5 sentences every day. Speak them out loud. Use them in real life.
Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and keep smiling.
Happy learning!